You watch YouTube every day, but have you ever thought about being the one people watch and getting paid for it? Today, I'll show you 5 proven ways to make real money on YouTube, step by step. From ad revenue to building your own business, you'll get a complete roadmap to start earning. If you've ever dreamed of making money online, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up is the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube pays you for ads shown on your videos. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. Once you're in, you can turn on monetization and start earning from every view. The more views, the more ad revenue you get. Your earnings depend on your niche. Finance and tech channels often earn more per view. Consistency is key. Keep uploading and improving to grow your audience. The Partner Program rewards dedication, not quick wins. It's your entry into professional content creation. Remember, your niche and audience matter for higher earnings. Focus on engaging content that keeps viewers watching. This is the foundation for making money on YouTube. Hit those milestones, apply, and start earning from your passion. It's achievable with effort and creativity. Let's move to the next method. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend products you love. You don't need to be monetized to start. Just join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Share special links in your video descriptions. When viewers buy, you earn a commission. This works for physical products, software, and digital tools. Promote only what fits your channel and what you genuinely use. Authenticity builds trust and leads to more sales. Digital tools like Canva or InVideo often pay recurring commissions. Even small channels can earn with the right recommendations. Think about what you already use and check for affiliate programs. Add those links to your videos and start earning right away. The key: be honest and relevant with your recommendations. Your audience benefits, the company makes a sale, and you get paid. It's one of the fastest ways to monetize your channel. Start today with products you believe in. Ready for the next level? Let's talk sponsorships. Method 3. Sponsorships. Brands pay you directly to feature their products in your videos. You don't need millions of subscribers. Brands love engaged niche audiences. A short sponsored segment can earn you hundreds or even thousands per video. Sponsorships often pay more than ad revenue, especially for smaller channels. Reach out to brands that fit your content or let them come to you as you grow. Create a simple media kit with your stats and pitch your value. Only promote products you trust. Your audience's trust is everything. Treat sponsorships as partnerships, not just paychecks. This is a powerful way to boost your income and grow your channel. Be selective and authentic for long-term success. Now let's see how you can build your own business on YouTube. Method 4. Sell your own digital products. Package your skills or knowledge into courses, ebooks, or templates. You keep 100% of the profit, turning your expertise into income. Your channel is the perfect platform to market these products. Viewers already trust you, making them more likely to buy. Promote your products in your videos and descriptions. Use platforms like Teachable or Gumroad to handle sales. Digital products are scalable. Create once, sell forever. This transforms your channel into a real business. Build a brand that goes beyond YouTube. Ask yourself, what can you teach or create that people want? Let's explore a method for those who don't want to be on camera. Too shy for the camera? Try YouTube automation. Run faceless channels using stock footage, animations, and AI voiceovers. Pick a popular niche like top 10 lists or tutorials. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for scripts and InVideo for editing. AI text-to-speech makes voiceovers easy and realistic. You can create high-quality videos quickly without showing your face. Monetize with ads and affiliate links, just like any other channel. Focus on quality and value, even with automation. Oversee the process and manage your channel's growth. You can even run multiple channels for more income streams. This method opens YouTube to everyone, regardless of personality. Leverage technology to build your own media business. Anyone can do it with the right tools and strategy. Now let's wrap up with your next steps. There you have it, 5 ways to make money on YouTube, no matter your skills or style. Pick the method that excites you most and start today. Every creator started with 0 subscribers and 1 video. The only difference is, they took action. Now it's your turn. Want deep dives on these methods? Comment YouTube Masterclass below, like, subscribe and hit the bell to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you create.